Next question. Thank you, Julie. Do you know anything about sponsorships? Is there a service to get sponsors through? Yes, I do know something about sponsorships. In fact, as soon as I became about 3,000 subscribers in size, 3,000 subscribers, tiny YouTube channel, companies started to reach out. If you watch my channel, you'll notice who some of those folks are. It's no mystery. And I have a lot to say about that. If you are at that stage, I know not everybody is there, but I'm really glad that you're tuning in now because this is an important message. Sponsorships and collaborations. I built this page the first time I heard from a sponsor. I don't even believe I secured the deal just yet. So I haven't updated this. Maybe I should. And these are the sponsors I have worked with. And I noticed that this is slightly outdated, but to me, this is representative enough of the kind of the sponsors I've worked with in the past. And I talk about the type of sponsors, type of videos. There are two very general types of videos you can create for your sponsors for these brands as a YouTuber. One is called the fully integrated video, which means the entire video is about them. If it's about Restream, maybe it's a Restream how-to. If you're talking about Elgato key light, this whole video is about Elgato key light. Whereas video mention is different. Video mention, just the way it sounds, is you're mentioning, hey, thanks, this video is sponsored by XYZ. Maybe you have a few things to say about them, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, but that's it. You probably imagine the level of effort here is very different. So that's why I want to answer this question a little more holistically. So the price point is also different for these sponsored videos. Don't be surprised at the beginning that the money may not be huge. You may have sponsors who come to you to offer you $50, $100, or up to maybe a few $100s per video. And you look at the time you spend on creating the video, seems somewhat insignificant. But one thing to note that the reason why they want to partner with you is because they want conversions for their software product. So in my YouTuber kit, I actually created a calculator to show you. It's a universal calculator to understand how much this sponsor charges for their products, how much you want to charge for your video, and how many leads you need to generate, how many paying customers, not just leads, you need to generate for that brand.